Dad, why is the ocean so big? Dad, why is the ocean so big?
Covers most of our planet, son. Covers most of our planet, son.
Can we build a really tall sandcastle? Can we build a really tall sandcastle?
Yes, let's make the biggest one ever. Yes, let's make the biggest one ever.
Why do waves keep coming to shore? Why do waves keep coming to shore?
The wind and moon move the water. The wind and moon move the water.
What's that white foam on the waves? What's that white foam on the waves?
That's called sea foam, it's very natural. That's called sea foam, it's very natural.
Can I collect some pretty shells? Can I collect some pretty shells?
Of course, but leave the broken ones. Of course, but leave the broken ones.
Why is the sand so warm? Why is the sand so warm?
The sun has been heating it all day. The sun has been heating it all day.
What's that bird flying above us? What's that bird flying above us?
That's a seagull looking for food. That's a seagull looking for food.
Can we swim in the deep water? Can we swim in the deep water?
Not today, let's stay in the shallow part. Not today, let's stay in the shallow part.
Why does the ocean taste salty? Why does the ocean taste salty?
It has lots of salt from rocks and minerals. It has lots of salt from rocks and minerals.
What's under the water far out there? What's under the water far out there?
Fish, coral reefs, and amazing sea creatures. Fish, coral reefs, and amazing sea creatures.
Can we stay until sunset? Can we stay until sunset?
Yes, sunsets at the beach are beautiful. Yes, sunsets at the beach are beautiful.
Why do my feet sink in the sand? Why do my feet sink in the sand?
Wet sand is soft and moves easily. Wet sand is soft and moves easily.
What makes that whooshing sound? What makes that whooshing sound?
That's the sound of waves hitting the shore. That's the sound of waves hitting the shore.
Can I bury your feet in the sand? Can I bury your feet in the sand?
That sounds fun, but not too deep. That sounds fun, but not too deep.
Why is the water so cold? Why is the water so cold?
Ocean water is cooler than the warm sand. Ocean water is cooler than the warm sand.
What's that dark thing in the water? What's that dark thing in the water?
It's probably just seaweed floating by. It's probably just seaweed floating by.
Can we come back here next weekend? Can we come back here next weekend?
If the weather is nice, absolutely. If the weather is nice, absolutely.
Why do people surf on big waves? Why do people surf on big waves?
They think it's exciting and fun. They think it's exciting and fun.
What happens to our sandcastle at night? What happens to our sandcastle at night?
The tide will probably wash it away. The tide will probably wash it away.
Can I splash you with water? Can I splash you with water?
Gently and only if you want to get splashed back. Gently and only if you want to get splashed back.
Why are there so many people here today? Why are there so many people here today?
It's a beautiful day, perfect for the beach. It's a beautiful day, perfect for the beach.
What's the deepest part of the ocean? What's the deepest part of the ocean?
It's deeper than the tallest mountains. It's deeper than the tallest mountains.
Can we have lunch on our towel? Can we have lunch on our towel?
Yes, I pack sandwiches for us. Yes, I pack sandwiches for us.
Why do I feel so happy here? Why do I feel so happy here?
The beach is a peaceful, magical place. The beach is a peaceful, magical place.
Can we look for treasure in the sand? Can we look for treasure in the sand?
Sure. Let's see what interesting things we find. Sure. Let's see what interesting things we find. Are you having fun at the beach today? Are you having fun at the beach today?
Yes, Dad, this is the best day ever. Yes, Dad, this is the best day ever.
Do you want to put more sunscreen on? Do you want to put more sunscreen on?
Yes, I don't want to get sunburned. Yes, I don't want to get sunburned.
Can you see any fish in the water? Can you see any fish in the water?
I think I saw a small silver one. I think I saw a small silver one.
What's your favorite thing about the beach? What's your favorite thing about the beach?
I love building sand castles with you. I love building sand castles with you.
Are you getting thirsty? Are you getting thirsty?
Yes, can I have some water please? Yes, can I have some water please?
Do you like the feeling of sand between your toes? Do you like the feeling of sand between your toes?
Yes, it tickles and feels funny. Yes, it tickles and feels funny.
Can you hear the ocean from here? Can you hear the ocean from here?
Yes, it sounds like a gentle whisper. Yes, it sounds like a gentle whisper.
What color is the water today? What color is the water today?
It's blue and green and very pretty. It's blue and green and very pretty.
Are you ready to go in the water? Are you ready to go in the water?
Yes, but will you hold my hand? Yes, but will you hold my hand?
Do you see any clouds in the sky? Do you see any clouds in the sky?
Just a few white fluffy ones. Just a few white fluffy ones.
What should we name our sandcastle? What should we name our sandcastle?
Can we call it Castle Adventure? Can we call it Castle Adventure?
Are your swimming clothes dry yet? Are your swimming clothes dry yet?
No, they're still a little wet. No, they're still a little wet.
Can you feel the ocean breeze? Can you feel the ocean breeze?
Yes, it feels cool and refreshing. Yes, it feels cool and refreshing.
What do you think lives in the ocean? What do you think lives in the ocean?
Dolphins, whales, and colorful fish. Dolphins, whales, and colorful fish.
Are you hungry for our picnic? Are you hungry for our picnic?
Yes, building castles makes me hungry. Yes, building castles makes me hungry.
Do you want to walk along the shore? Do you want to walk along the shore?
Yes, let's look for more shells. Yes, let's look for more shells.
Can you make a handprint in the sand? Can you make a handprint in the sand?
Look, Dad, I made a perfect one. Look, Dad, I made a perfect one.
What's the best shell you found today? What's the best shell you found today?
This pink one that looks like a fan. This pink one that looks like a fan.
Are you getting sleepy from the sun? Are you getting sleepy from the sun?
A little bit, but I want to keep playing. A little bit, but I want to keep playing.
Do you want to try floating on your back? Do you want to try floating on your back?
Yes, but stay close to me. Yes, but stay close to me.
Can you dig a deep hole with me? Can you dig a deep hole with me?
Yes, let's see how deep we can go. Yes, let's see how deep we can go.
What would you tell your friends about today? What would you tell your friends about today?
That the beach is the most amazing place. That the beach is the most amazing place.
Are you ready to rinse off the sand? Are you ready to rinse off the sand?
Yes, there's sand everywhere on me. Yes, there's sand everywhere on me.
Do you want to come back here soon? Do you want to come back here soon?
Yes, can we make this our special place? Yes, can we make this our special place?
What was your favorite moment today? What was your favorite moment today?
When we built the castle together. When we built the castle together.